Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how we will start building the project. To build the project you will need to create a folder, and this folder that you can create by this name only, PharmaSift, and in that you will be using index.html. You will create a new file called index.html, just like how you do it, right? Now, why I'm creating this folder? Because all of the code that we want to put will go into this folder only, correct? Now, we are using VS Code editor. You can use any editor, but our recommendation would be VS Code is good. You will be using in job, internship, wherever you go, right? So let's make sure you understand this. Okay, plus it is easy to use as well. Now you don't have to write the whole code from scratch in VS Code. Okay, for example, if you want to create your thing, you don't have to do it like doc type HTML and something like it, HTML and write line by line. You don't have to do that. Simply come here, simply do exclamation mark, will automatically give you the code, and you will change the name here from document to PharmaSift. You can call it PharmaSift here. You don't have to worry about at all. And this is your base code ready. If you want to create a CSS file, you can create it here as well into it, and all of them will be into same repository, same folder. Now this folder will be also integrated with GitHub as well. That we'll need to see. Okay, we'll talk about that in some time. So this is the simple version that we built so far, where we have index.html file where all the code goes into it. Let's create a stylings file, styles.css. We created it. Then let's link it, style sheet, and then href. See, it automatically suggests that these are the files, and this is how we can connect into it. Okay, we can also connect it like this. It will simply work. You click on control button and then you do this follow link. It says if you do that, you will land on this page. There is any changes, if there is any wrong file name, it will automatically throw that unable to open this file, which means you have a wrong name. But now it is having a right name, so it is opening this, and then we'll start writing code into it. In the next video we'll talk about how can we push this code onto GitHub.